students, welcome to the online video class. Today we are going to learn about the third chapter, understanding quadrilaterals. Now in previous video we have completed the second chapter, linear equation in one variable. Now let us discuss the fourth chapter, understanding quadrilaterals. So in this chapter first point is open curve. So what is meant by open curve? Open curve, a curve does not cut itself is called as open curve. So what is meant by open curve? A curve does not cut itself, it is called as open curve. You know that this is the curve shape. This is a curve shape. Curve shape means क्या होता है कि वो straight line नहीं होती, वो curve shape में होता है. So open curve means what? Open curve में क्या होता है कि उसके दो जो ends होते हैं वो कभी भी एक दूसरे को मिलते नहीं. So that means that this is the figure of open curve and this is the figure of open curve. Okay, now this is the figure of open curve. Now second one point is closed curve. So what is meant by closed curve? A curve which cut itself is called as closed curve. Closed curve means उसके जो दो ends होते हैं एक दूसरे को connect होते हैं. So for example, this is a closed curve. Okay, now again this is a closed curve. This is an example of closed curve. Now this is the closed curve. These are the examples of closed curve. So what is meant by closed curve? A curve which cut itself is called as closed curve. Now the next one point is a simple curve. So what is meant by simple curve? Third one point is simple curve. So simple curve is what definition of simple curve? The closed curves which do not cut, do not cross themselves are simple curve. Okay, so what is mean by simple curve? The closed curve यानी जो हमारा closed curve होता है वो क्या होता है? So closed curve which do not cross themselves are called as simple curve. Now for example, now this is a simple curve. Why? Because of in this figure there are not a cross themselves. Suppose this is a simple curve. Now the second one example is, suppose this is a simple curve. No, this is a not simple curve. Why this is not simple curve? Because of here the cross. यहाँ पे cross किया हुआ है तो इसलिए ये क्या है? Simple curve नहीं है. So this is the simple curve. So a closed curve which do not cross themselves are simple curve. This is example of simple curve. यानी simple curve में क्या होता है? वो simple curve होता है. उसमें कोई भी cross curve नहीं होता है. So this is called as simple. So that's why this is not simple curve. Now let us discuss the next point, polygon. Next point is polygon. So what is mean by polygon? A simple closed curve made up of only the line segment. A simple closed curve, but this is made up of line segment and this is called as polygon. So polygon किसे कहते हैं कि वो simple closed curve होता है लेकिन वो line segment से बनता है. For example, now this is a figure and this is a figure. So in this two figure, which is a polygon? This is a closed curve and this is also closed curve. But this is a simple closed curve and this is a closed curve. But this closed curve is a curve shape and this closed curve, simple closed curve, is made up of line segment. So that's why this is called as polygon. So what is that? This is called as polygon. यानी polygon means क्या होता है? Polygon से close figure होती है. Close means पता है इसके दोनों end क्या होते हैं? एक दूसरे को connect होते हैं. So this is a close figure, but this figure is made up of line segment. ये close figure है लेकिन वो line segment से नहीं बनी, लेकिन ये line segment से बनी. So what is the example of this polygon? So for example, triangle. this triangle is made up of 3 line segment. Now other example is like a square, pentagon, hexagon. You know that all these are a polygons. Okay, circle is a not a polygon. Now let's see the examples of polygon. Now the example of polygon is name number of sides, or vertices, and here the name of polygon. Now you know that the types of polygon. So number of sides, suppose 3 sides से कौन सा polygon बनता है? Now this is a triangle. So figure कौन से है? 1 2 3. Now this is a polygon, but this polygon is 3-sided polygon. 1 2 3 vertex of 3 sides. 1 2 3 sides. So this is a 3-sided polygon, and this 3-sided polygon is called as triangle. This 3-sided polygon is called as triangle. Now the second one is 4-sided polygon. This is called as, this is a 4-sided polygon. 1 2 3 4. 4 vertices and 4 sides. So this 4-sided polygon is called as quadrilateral. So what is meant by quadrilateral? The topic name is understanding quadrilateral. So what is meant by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means क्या होता है? 4-sided polygon. So the simple figure, but this is made up of line segment, and this 4 line segment made this closed figure is called as quadrilateral. That means that 4-sided polygon is called as quadrilateral. This is a closed figure. This is made up of line segment. So that's why this is called as quadrilateral polygon. Next one is fifth-sided polygon. So you know that this is first line, second line, third, fourth, and fifth. Now this is how many sides? 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's why this is called as pentagon. So the 5-sided polygon called name is pentagon. Okay. Now the next is 6-sided polygon. Now the figure of this 6-sided polygon is, now this is the 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So how many sides? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This 6-sided polygon, this is called as hexagon. This is called as hexagon. Now here the 3-sided polygon is called as triangle. 4-sided polygon is called as quadrilateral. 5-sided polygon is called as pentagon, and 6-sided polygon is called as hexagon. Now the next type is 7-sided figure. So this is the 7-sided polygon. So ये figure आप draw कर सकते हैं. So this is called as septagon. And next is 8-sided polygon. This is called as octagon. And now the next is 9 number. So 9-sided polygon is nonagon. And the last one is 10-sided polygon. It's called as decagon. So these are the types of polygon by using the number of sides and number of vertices. So first one is 3-sided polygon, triangle. Second one is 4-sided polygon is quadrilateral. 5th-sided polygon is a pentagon. 6th-side is hexagon. 7th-side is septagon. 8th-side is octagon, and 9th-side is nonagon, and 10th number is decagon. So the next point of this chapter is types of polygon. Okay, so types of polygon, there are 2 types. First one is concave polygons. First one is convex polygon, and second one is concave polygon. So what is meant by convex and what is meant by concave polygon? So convex polygon means convex polygon definition is the polygon is interior angle is less than 180 degree. It's called convex polygon, and this is the convex polygon. So what is the convex polygon? The polygon, its interior angle is less than 180 degree. So this is called as convex polygon. And interior angle में जिसके angle, suppose for example is what? Triangle, equilateral triangle. You know that this equilateral triangle. Example of this equilateral triangle. Okay, so equilateral triangle, all angles are 60 degree. Okay, so all angles are 60 degree. So that's why this is called as convex polygon. Okay, now the concave polygon. So what is meant by concave polygon? The polygon is interior angle is not less than 980 degree. Otherwise जो बाकी के जो होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? Concave polygon. Now this is the point of convex polygon and concave polygon. Concave polygon क्या होते हैं? जो अदर होते हैं, जो लेस देन 180 डिग्री के छोड़ के जो पॉलीगॉन्स होते हैं वो कौन से होते हैं? कॉन्केव पॉलीगॉन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Now the next point of this chapter we'll discuss in next video. So today's all topic you have to write in your classwork notebook. So today we stop here, and remaining part of this chapter we'll discuss in next video. Thank you.